Welcome to Digital Storytelling, where students turn their ideas into engaging multimedia stories that inform, inspire, and captivate. In this course, students explore 3 focus areas: multimedia reports, multimedia slideshows, and presentations and visuals. Each lesson builds technical skills and fosters creative expression that will help captivate audiences. In multimedia reports, students enhance their reports with visuals, audio, and interactivity, turning text-based information into dynamic narratives that inform and engage. With multimedia slideshows, students develop their storytelling skills through design, learning to use images, sound, and transitions creatively to craft memorable presentations. In presentations and visuals, students refine their visual communication skills, applying design principles like color, typography, and layout to create presentations that resonate with their audience. By the end of the course, students will have improved their multimedia skills, strengthened their creative design abilities, and developed strong visual communication to elevate their presentations. Join us in digital storytelling and empower your students to express their insights with confidence and style.